Good morning, students. Welcome to Masis Ravastram Inter-College online classes. Okay. The previous day we saw Gandhiji is promising to this young boy that I will send you coffee. Okay. Now we shall see the rest of the lesson. Gandhiji's cottage was at the other end of the ashram, a good way across the road. Now, Gandhiji's cottage means a small hut where Gandhiji was staying, was the other end of the ashram. Ashram ka dusra side, the other side was his cottage. A good way across the road, from the road little away. The lad could well imagine what would happen. So now the boy is thinking in his mind what will happen when Gandhiji goes there. Gandhiji would go to Kasturba in her kitchen and ask for coffee and toast. Now the boy is imagining in his mind Gandhiji will go to Kasturba and ask for coffee and toast. But it was an untimely hour. Now, when Gandhiji went to the house, it was an untimely hour. That means untimely hour means, see, the ladies need not be always in the kitchen. Okay, when the food is prepared, and then ladies need not be in the kitchen, they will go to take rest. Okay, so now this is the time for Gandhiji's wife to take rest. Okay, so it was an untimely hour when Gandhiji went there. The kitchen would be closed. When the cooking is over, kitchen will be closed. That time only Gandhiji had gone to get coffee and toast. Ba herself would be taking rest. Now, Ba means the short form of Kasturba. Kasturba is Gandhiji's wife. Okay. Had he caused Gandhiji too much botheration? So now this boy is simply worrying. Okay. Now, did I give so much trouble for Gandhiji that he had to go to the kitchen and ask his wife to get coffee and toast? The boy is getting worried. Some 20 minutes passed. 20 minutes are over after Gandhiji leaving the boy. Hark! What was that sound? So he listened and then he could hear some sound. So he is listening. What is that sound? The click of Gandhiji's wooden sandals again. So again the sound of Gandhiji's sandals. See, I told you in the other class that wooden sandal he was wearing, that makes noise. Okay, so the boy could hear again the sound of Gandhiji's sandals. Had the coffee been called off? So now this boy is thinking, what happened? Now I may not get a coffee or what? His heart sank within him. So he became little sad. Okay, heart sank within him means he became little dull, little sad. But there was Gandhiji carrying a tray covered with a white khadi napkin. Now what he could see? He saw that Gandhiji himself carrying the coffee and toast in a tray. Can you imagine that? Okay, Gandhiji is such a great person, bringing coffee for this boy, one who was sick in the ashram. Gandhiji was speaking. Now Gandhiji was talking, he came. Now here is your coffee and toast. So Gandhiji told, come. Here you can take your coffee and toast. And mind you, I made the coffee myself. Listen, I made the coffee myself. I only made the coffee. Now, like a good South Indian, will you certify I can make good coffee? Now, drink this coffee and can you give me a certificate that yes, coffee is very good. Okay, we get certificate now that it is good. So Gandhiji also is asking this boy, can you give me a certificate that approving that okay, coffee is very good? Can you do that? But whispered the lad, why did you not ask someone else to bring this coffee for me? So now the boy is feeling sad little bad, okay, that Gandhiji himself brought the coffee. So the boy is asking Gandhiji, you would have asked somebody else to bring the coffee for me. I am very sorry I put you to this trouble. I am really sorry that I gave you a lot of trouble. I made you to make coffee and bring it for me. I am sorry for it. Now, said Gandhiji, do not ruin your coffee. Now don't say so many things and don't spoil your coffee. Cold coffee is bad coffee. You know, when coffee becomes cold, it will not be that tasty. Okay, so don't make it cold. Okay, drink fast. You see, Ba was resting and I did not dare to disturb her. You know, when I went there to the house, Kasturba was sleeping and then I did not want to disturb her. Okay. And then he said suddenly, well, I shall leave you now. So Gandhiji told, now I have to leave you. I have to go somewhere else. Someone will come for the tray. Now somebody else will come to get the tray from you after you drink and take your toast. With that off he went, telling that he went from there. The coffee was light but excellent. Okay. The coffee was little light, not so much powder in the coffee, but it was very good. Excellent means very good. The lad sipped as if it were nectar. Now the boy sipped means taking very little. Okay. And then how he was taking? As if it were nectar. Nectar means honey. Okay. As he is taking honey, he was drinking it very slowly. But he was troubled. Though he got the coffee and he was drinking it, he was little disturbed. Troubled means disturbed. His mind's eye saw Gandhiji opening the kitchen, lighting the stove, making the coffee and toast and carrying it to him, all in order not to disturb others at that untimely hour. Now, as he was drinking the coffee, he is thinking all these things in his mind. That I gave him lot of trouble. Now Gandhiji went, opened the kitchen door, lighting the stove, okay, and then making the coffee and toast and carrying it to him. See, Gandhiji himself making the coffee and making toast and carrying it by himself. Okay, he could have told others to reach it to him, but he himself brought it to him. All in order not to disturb others. Now, why he did all these things? He did not want to disturb others, because all will be taking rest. So why should I disturb the rest of others? That untimely hour. Okay, it is not the time to make coffee and things. So he himself made and brought it. He was overwhelmed. The boy was really happy. Overwhelmed means thinking lot of things, unnecessary things, all these things because of me, all these things Gandhiji had to do. So with that, the lesson is over. Okay. So again read and we will, so lesson is over. Now it is your duty to read the lesson once again thoroughly and learn the word meanings. Okay. Rest we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.